Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss how to improve your eBay search ranking. Firstly, open eBay application on your device and then go to selling section at the bottom side of your screen. And here you see the sections of your listings, so that is active listings, orders, and unsold items. So firstly, what we need to do to improve your eBay search ranking is, of course, to optimize your listings. I have done it already, but open this active section of your listings and hit edit button. So make sure that your titles of your listings are including all the important keywords. So simply you need to think like a buyer. So that means use words the buyer would type in the searching bar, and your item will show up. Also update your item descriptions, so write clear, detailed descriptions, of course with keywords. So you should mention the brand, model, size of your item, color, everything a buyer would want to know about your product. Also add high quality photos of your items. So tap on the photo section and upload clear images from multiple angles. So images should not be blurry. What else? You need to set competitive prices to your items. So tap on your pricing and check what similar items are selling for. Because pricing your item can push you higher in the search results. So when you have some order, you need to always ship fast, respond to messages quickly, and resolve all upcoming issues professionally, because you will have positive feedback, and this feedback can seriously boost your search ranking. And last but not least, stay active on the eBay. So you need to list new items regularly, because eBay loves active sellers, and it simply tends to rank them higher in the search ranking. So I think that's all how you can improve your eBay search ranking. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.